Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of OpenStack and learning how to create a customized cloud OS image. If you are into the cloud computing and want to leverage OpenStack for your project, this video is for you. Let's get started. First thing is, for customized cloud OS, we have to download the cloud OS image from the Google. So you just type cloud OS image download in the Google. So you can find out this link and you can select the link. Now it will leads to this page. So here I'm going to select NetBSD image. So why I'm selecting this NetBSD now, its size is very small, so that's why I'm selecting NetBSD cloud OS image. So once selected, we can find out this OS in this page and click this button and we can get download image. So I have already downloaded, so I don't want to download once again. So let's go to create an image. So for this, you just go to this OpenStack dashboard and click image tab. So click create image button. So here we need to provide the image name. So be careful on this image name because we need to give an exact name for this image name. So here NetBSD. So description is an optional. So image source. So I have already downloaded this image. Then format. You have to select this format. QEMU emulator. And RAM size, disk size is 4 GB and RAM size is 2 GB. And it should be image sharing visibility is public one. Then click next and click create image. So our image was created successfully. Yes, our image is active. Our image was created successfully. Now let's see how we can have to launch this NetBSD image as we saw in a previous video, SirOS. In a similar way, we are going to launch our image with an instance. So for this, you have to go to this instance. So here we have already created one instance. That instance name is sample. That instance is a shutdown. So we have to ensure that first instance should be in a shutdown status. So guys, here I'm going to launch a instance. Launch instance. My instance name is my instance. Description is optional. And select boot source from image and volume size is 4 GB. So here I'm giving 4 GB. So I'm collecting NetBSD. So here I'm going to select M1 small. Then click next and select external network. Then click next. Then click next. And click next. So leave it as everything as a default. Then click launch instance. Let's wait what will happen. Okay, so we got error, failed to perform requested operation on instance, my instance. Okay, so we tried it in another way to launch the instance. So before that I need to delete the instance. what I have created recently. Okay, so now go to terminal and type the following command to launch the instance. Microstack launch image name. So we need to give the exact image name. The image name is my instance. Hit enter. So launching server. Okay, so again we got an error. The instance was not created. Yes. Okay, we try it in another way to launch the instance. So in previously we have an error because we need to mention the exact components to launch the instance. So here this is the command to launch the instance. Microstack launch netbsd, that image name, then give my instance name. Here I am giving my instance name is my instance space that flavor, we have to mention the flavor. Flavor name is m1 dot small, then hit enter. Status is launching server. Then allocating FTP. Yes, our instance was launched successfully, so we can access through this local IP. So we have already logged in, so no issue. Click refresh button. Yes, our instance was launched successfully and running successfully. So our target is completed. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.